Hello, we're from Apex Window Works, fixing sashes, which you can tell right here, they're all rotten. And once we take out the window, we cut out all of the rotten stuff and replace it with the brand new wood. Then seal it and your window should be okay. This is all rotten. In order to take this out, we have to cut. There are nails somewhere in here. I have to find them and cut them out, and then I have to cut this glue out, and then we take out the sash. And that's what he's making it right now. When he's done, we're gonna put this back in here, sand it, and make it look nice. So now we're gonna take the glass out, and this is the process of getting the glass out. The old Pella windows, they have a bunch of glue inside. The newer windows, you don't really have to cut them out like this, but these ones you do. So now we have a new piece of glass that's made at our shop, and this is how we put this in. As you can see, this was the old sash that was completely rotten, and if you don't replace that, probably the frame of the windows will catch, and then you will have to replace your windows. This is your new sash. Now we're gonna install it, put some screws in, sand it, paint it, and we're done. This is the window we were fixing. Brand new glass, brand new sash. As you can tell, it's not rotten, and works great. And that's it.